Hey, what's going on, y'all? Hope y'all doing well. Today, got some new fog lights to be going on the car. Oh, there goes the wiring harness. But yeah, so basically, I'm going to the East Coast Mustang Tour hosted by Derek Barron Production, Italian Stallion, all those guys. They're going to be here in Georgia on Friday, so I had to get the car looking nice. Unfortunately, the bumper I ordered is still on back order. It was supposed to ship Monday. Now it's supposed to come next Monday, but who knows? It's AM. We never know with those guys. So I'm just gonna swap out the fog lights because you guys know how messed up mine are, and I didn't feel like restoring them, and I wanted something a little bit brighter. So I'm gonna be swapping out some new LED RDLs onto the car. So I'm gonna get started with that, and yeah, hopefully it don't take too long. I'm not gonna do the wiring of the daytime running lights just yet because, like I said, I am getting a new bumper, so I don't want to have to remove this one just to put the wiring on. So I'm going to wait until I actually have to remove the bumper. So I'm just going to have functional fog lights for now and then do the running lights later on because I'm not really tripping about that. So here is a little before, and here's what we're working with. So these are the Axle Halo fog lights. This is installed. The instructions are super simple. I'm not going to do a whole install video. I don't know if I said that already, but I'm just going to slap these on real quick and just get a nice little update to the car because, like, I can't wait to get a new bumper because look at all this rock chips, and then when I try to spray paint my hood, I got overspray. So it's been far too long overdue for an update, and then like the little chin splitters cracked here, so it's time for an upgrade. So in a second you'll see brand new lights. All right, so these lights are sick, dude. I might give them a light smoke to them so they kind of match the headlights, but I don't know. I kind of like the clear bright look. I unfortunately am gonna have to do the whole wiring today. I was thinking that since it came with a harness like this, I'd be able to just plug it in and use it as a basic fog light for now, but the whole power pack basically has to be set up, unless I'm just like stupid. I tried to just plug them in and see if they would work this way, but nothing came on. I'm pretty sure they come with a light bulb inside, and if they don't, then I feel pretty stupid. But yeah, they look super sick. Well, I think once the Roush grill comes in, it'll look really good. I was honestly debating on even buying these because with the Roush grill, they have lower fogs on them. So if it turns out I like the Roush look way better, I'll probably do the Elite grill just to see if I like that. And if I do, then I guess I'll sell these. But for now, I think it's a nice little refresher for the car. I forgot how my car worked for a second. I forgot the car has to be in on mode for the fog lights to turn on. And bro, it looks super sick. I'm getting new headlights as well. But I think everything complements each other for how it is. I definitely like this look, super bright compared to the stock ones. But yeah, like I said, once I get new headlights in, I think that'll be the last missing piece besides the bumper to complete the look I'm looking for. Maybe, like I said, a fog delete grill, but you know, we'll see. We'll go day by day. But yeah, this looks super sick. Ooh, what is up, everyone? So it's been about 2 days since the last clip y'all saw. I just got off of work. It is 5:04. So the East Coast Coyote Tour has begun in Atlanta. Like I said, I just got off of work. I'm about 30 minutes from home, so I'm gonna try to rush over there real quick, change, grab something to eat on the way there, and then we're gonna go see some super dope best Mustangs in Atlanta. So I'm probably gonna look the worst out of a lot of those cars, but I'm super excited to meet a lot of people I know off Instagram, see, you know, the guy's car. So it's gonna be dope. And next clip you'll see, I'll be there. All right, we made it out. Kind of dark. I thought there'd be better lighting. We got a little UTR here. I was lacking, didn't wash the car, but I don't even know if Derek's here yet. I don't even know any of them's here, but got a bunch of people still pulling up. I'm 2 hours late, but people are still pulling up. So I'm waiting on the homie to get here real quick, and then I'm gonna walk around some more. Hopefully it fills up a little bit more. But yeah, like I said, I don't even know if Derek's here right now. Ooh, I can't lie. It is freezing out here. Georgia weather is so inconsistent. So I'm just chilling in the car till the homie gets here, and then we're gonna start walking around. Like I said, I think more people are pulling up now. It looks like some people are moving, so I assume something's happening down there. But like I said, I'm gonna try to warm up real quick, wait for the homie to pull in, and then we'll do a full walk around, show you guys everything that's here, everything that's pulling up. Maybe, yeah, I don't know if they're gonna do pullouts like they do at Caffeine and Octane. I don't know if 12's around. We are in a hot area, but we'll see. There's no lighting over here, but hey man, we're gonna get the shop, right? This is our shop. This is our shop right here. Yeah, I got
a little bit less more.
Hey, bro, this ain't no Camaro meet. We found the boys. Found the boys over here. had to play the card on the Camaro dude. Woo! This might be a Whipple.
This might be.
Yeah, I think this. I can't see because ain't no. Hey, yo, is that Rush Shift? Rush Shift? Rush Shift. Terpskis. I bought this like 2 years ago. Telling you, he had a 3V before, bro.
Damn, the breeze is serious.
Nah, that's good. Woo. This is what you need, bro. You need your show to be showing. Crazy. I should have allowed. Hey man, should I just 5-0 swap? 3-5? Is that what I'm seeing? We have a 5-0 swap incoming?
I think it should 6.2 swap.
Nah.
Then I'll buy it off.
Woo! Oh. Look.
That clutch a little bit more.
Oh, yeah. Got my merch. Got a key tag and a t-shirt. But, dude, seeing the cars in person is super dope. I just met Derek. Talked to him for a little bit while buying the merch. But, dude, these cars are super sick in person, super clean. I wish I cleaned up before coming. Feels super slow seeing some of these cars as well. But it's getting cold, so I might head out soon, but we'll see what's up.